Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Thursday, 5th October, and it's around 8, 5, 10 in the morning. Kian is all ready to go to school, but he wants to color this. It's basically a diaper box, but if you open this up, it's a color box. So he wants to color it now. So he's gonna do that for a bit, then we'll head out for his school. Baba. Kara hai na? Huh? What is this? Acha. No, color karo. Open it. One by one. Oh. By the way, today we are going out for a one-day staycation. It's nearby from our home, but I didn't do anything like packing, prepping, anything, which I need to do like after coming back, like after dropping him off. We come back and then I'll do that, all of that, and we are leaving in the afternoon and we are coming back tomorrow. So yeah, it's a one-day plan, and that's also for our anniversary. So yes, tomorrow is our anniversary, so we made this plan. And what else? Nothing much. I'm vlogging today, so I'm going to share a day with you guys. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hello, so we are home. I'm having some coffee as usual. Now I need to pack. Even though it's just for a day, like I'm literally confused what I'm going to wear today. And I need to bring like one set of pajamas for each, like me, Shoman, Kian, and one pair of clothes for tomorrow. Like it's literally like not much to pack, but still I need to think like what we need to wear and that pack, because I'm not decided yet what I'm going to wear. I did order some stuff. If that's like I'm going to try those now. If that's looking good, I'm going to wear those. Otherwise I'm gonna again figure that out and start packing. That's what I need to do. I also need to think like what food, because for ours we already ordered food. We're going to pick that up in the afternoon before going there. But I need to think for Kian, because we ordered biryani. I'm sure he's not gonna have the biryani rice or whatever, so I need to cook like plain rice for him, need to bring some fruits and everything. And tomorrow morning what we're going to have for breakfast, that also I need to pack. So yeah, and that place, it's basically a tree house, so there is not much of activities like Kian to do, you know what I mean. So there is, what I saw in their, like on their website, is there is one like bouncy thing for jumping. That's the only thing they have for the activity, so they don't have much. So I'm thinking what I need to bring for Kian, like just to get him entertained, because otherwise he's only gonna watch TV, so which I don't want. So I need to figure that out as well. So yeah, let me figure that out, and I'm gonna come back and start vlogging and share if I need to share something here. So I figured everything out. This is what I need to pack, so let's pack. So packing is done. I'm gonna leave this open, sorry, because I need to put some last minute toiletries. So I'm gonna leave it open until we are like finished getting ready. Then I'll put the last minute toiletries and pack this up, And these are the clothes which we are going to wear, so I'm gonna keep it here. So yeah, as of now I'm done. I'm already prepped the food which I need to bring today. For tomorrow's breakfast, I'm thinking just taking bread and jam, the easy thing, egg. And for today I told you guys that I'm gonna take the we are going to take the takeout. I'm going to make the white rice for Kian, so that's I need to make. Other than that, I'm done. Sorry for that reflection. I also need to do the nails. Like, I'm thinking of doing the press on nails. So yeah, that I need to do. And hair, like nowadays most of the time I do the bun, but today I'm thinking of straightening my hair. So if I get the time for straightening my hair, I'm gonna do that. Otherwise, bun it is. And yeah, that's the update for now. See you soon. So I straightened my hair, as you guys can see. Now I want to do the nails. I have two types of sticky, I mean, what's that called, press on nails. But today I'm thinking of wearing like orange shade two-piece. It's orange shade. So I have this two kinds of press on nails. One is this one. It's a neutral color. It's definitely gonna go with the shade of clothing I'm wearing, but I'm thinking of wearing this nails. I mean, oops, I don't know. This is neutral, like I can wear it anytime, but I don't know why I want to this kind of nails. I never done like this long nails ever, even if when I was doing the acrylic, I never done this long. So I wanted to try this one. So what should I do? This or this? Let's go with this one. So my nails are done. Ta-da! This is how it came out. It has a butterfly in it, and this is the color. It's light purplish color, and I like it. I never done this long nails, but I like it this way. I'm sure if my sisters says this, they're going to say it puro rakhoshi lagje. Rakhoshi, like we called witches. We called witches in Bengali Rakhoshi, so they're going to say that for sure. But I like it. And now it's 12:30. I need to go pick Kian up, come back, get ready, and head out. A lot of things to do, so let's do that. Do you like my nails? Huh? Do you like my nails?
Absolutely.
Nah. So we picked Kian up. We are at the cake store picking up the cake. There is Kian eating the cake. Is it yummy?
Hello.
Huh? Is it yummy, Kian?
this?
Who is this?
This.
Who is this?
What's this?
I'll tell you happy birthday forever.
Happy birthday.
We're home. Kian is washing hands because he's gonna have some lunch. Our lunch is here. We picked up the food. This is Radha Bollogi, Aloo Dom. This is egg devil for evening snack, and this is the biryani for dinner. We picked up the cake. I'm gonna show you guys that later. Let's have lunch because Kian is hungry and we are too. So let's have lunch. It's already 2:15. After we have lunch, I don't have any charge. I need to charge my phone. After we have lunch, we need to get ready and the time will head out. I'm gonna vlog that, so stay tuned. We are ready. That's my outfit. I'm going to wear white sneakers maybe. And there is Shomo. There is Kian. Say hi. Hi, Kian.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
So we are all set and we're heading out. It's gonna be 35 minutes from our home, so let's go there. I'm going to show you guys around. Obviously I'm vlogging, so again it's a day in my life vlog, and today it's mostly like prepping to go for this staycation. So anyhow, we are going at last. We are here. Kian is literally sleeping. It's beautiful. That's our tree house. The name of our tree house is Chico's Hideaway. I hope you can see that. I'm thinking of making a different vlog on today's, because I have I'm thinking of like making this vlog as a prepping to go to the trip, and the vlog I'm thinking of starting now is gonna be our me showing the what we do basically after coming here. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're interested to see how our tree house is and how we are enjoying, then keep watching and stay tuned for my next vlog. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.